me turn the camera. Don't you love the beautiful scenery that is here? You can just come and sit by the waters and enjoy the beautiful sound the waters give when they flow. So I want to show you let's go to another area and show you the beautiful place where this water is coming from. So you can see the contrast from here. Here the waters are very still. You can't even notice that the waters are flowing to the other end. Here. This is an underground tunnel where the water passed from this end to the other end where I was there. I was actually there, you can see, where the children are fetching water. So you can't actually notice because when you come here, that's when you can see, when you can notice you can hear the rumbling, the smooth rumbling of the water as they flow. Very, very beautiful scenery. This is under the tunnel. This water is flowing. I don't know why when it reaches the other side it's producing some beautiful, beautiful sounds. Even here the sounds are beautiful. Not a doubt. Beautiful. So that's all I had for you for today. Kindly like, subscribe, share my channel, and yeah, until next time.